25 Facts about ASEAN's Economy. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into 25 shocking facts about ASEAN's booming economy, a region that's rising to become one of the biggest economic powerhouses on Earth. From record-breaking trade deals to billion-dollar tech giants, these facts will blow your mind. Let's get started. Fact number 1. ASEAN is already the fifth largest economy in the world. ASEAN's $4.25 trillion economy is bigger than the UK and France, and if it keeps growing at this pace, it's expected to overtake Japan by 2030. Fact number 2. ASEAN's economic growth outpaces most of the world. While Europe and the US struggle with slow growth, ASEAN's 4 to 6% annual GDP growth means it could double in size within just 15 years. Fact number 3. ASEAN is one of the largest consumer markets on Earth. With nearly 700 million people, ASEAN's population is larger than North America and nearly as big as Europe, making it an unstoppable consumer powerhouse. Fact number 4. ASEAN helped create the world's biggest trade agreement. The Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, led by ASEAN, covers $26 trillion in GDP, that's bigger than NAFTA and the EU. Fact number 5. ASEAN's exports rival the UK and Japan. ASEAN exports $1.4 trillion worth of goods annually, making it one of the world's top 5 trading powers. Fact number 6. ASEAN's free trade zone is smoother than US state trade. 98% of goods traded within ASEAN are tariff-free, making trade between ASEAN countries easier than trade between some US states. Fact number 7. ASEAN's digital economy will hit $1 trillion by 2030. From e-commerce to fintech, ASEAN's tech boom will make its digital economy worth $1 trillion within a decade. Fact number 8. ASEAN is becoming the factory of the world. As companies shift manufacturing from China to ASEAN, the region quickly becomes the new global production hub. Fact number 9. ASEAN powers the world's high-tech supply chains. ASEAN is a major global supplier of AI chips, smartphones, and semiconductors for brands like Apple, Intel, and Samsung. Fact number 10. ASEAN is the most integrated developing region. Unlike Africa or Latin America, ASEAN has successfully unified its economy, making it a magnet for trade and investment. Fact number 11. ASEAN's ports handle more cargo than all US ports combined. With Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand leading the way, ASEAN's shipping industry is a global giant. Fact number 12. ASEAN's middle class is exploding. By 2030, over 400 million people in ASEAN will enter the middle class, creating a massive wave of new consumers. Fact number 13. ASEAN attracts more investment than India and Brazil. Foreign investors pour over $200 billion annually into ASEAN, proving that it's one of the hottest investment spots worldwide. Fact number 14. ASEAN is a global business outsourcing hub. From call centers to AI research, ASEAN's business outsourcing industry is growing rapidly. Fact number 15. ASEAN's super apps are changing the game. Apps like Grab, Shopee, and Gojek dominate ride-hailing, banking, and shopping, making ASEAN a leader in digital innovation. Fact number 16. ASEAN's high-speed rail expansion is revolutionary. Billions of dollars are being invested into high-speed trains, connecting major cities like Europe's regional rail network. Fact number 17. ASEAN's green energy growth is outpacing the West. ASEAN is expanding renewable energy faster than the US and Europe, aiming for 23% clean energy by 2025. Fact number 18. ASEAN's smart cities are the future. Cities like Jakarta, Bangkok, and Manila are developing AI-driven transport, smart grids, and sustainable buildings. Fact number 19. ASEAN's e-commerce boom is unmatched. With millions of new online shoppers every year, ASEAN's e-commerce market is growing faster than Amazon or Alibaba. Fact number 20. ASEAN is home to $20 billion startups. ASEAN has over 20 unicorn startups valued at $1 billion, proving it's a rising tech hub. Fact number 21. ASEAN is on track to surpass Germany and Japan by 2050. By 2050, ASEAN's economy will rank fourth, overtaking Germany and Japan. Fact number 22. ASEAN's workforce is young and powerful. With over 70% of ASEAN's population under 40, it has a massive economic advantage over aging economies. Fact number 23. ASEAN is a tourism superpower. Before the pandemic, 140 million tourists visited ASEAN annually, making it one of the world's top travel destinations. Fact number 24. ASEAN's GDP per capita is rising faster than the US and Europe. Wages and wealth in ASEAN are growing at record speed, lifting millions out of poverty and into prosperity. Fact number 25. ASEAN's future is digital and global. With 5G, blockchain, and AI, ASEAN is set to lead the world in digital transformation. ASEAN isn't just a collection of countries, it's an unstoppable economic force. What do you think ASEAN's biggest strength is? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. See you in the next video.